Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Hedera, we are trading at 0.06461. 24-hour volume, we are up 118%. Market cap, we are down 4.58%. So heading over to the chart here, we've got our daily chart. I do want to show you a few things here. We are hitting resistance and then coming down to support. So we are consolidating, and we can also see that in the 4-hour time frame that I am going to go into. But I do want to show you basically a bearish divergence that we've got here. We've got our RSI. We see this M at the very top hitting 77% of our K, and then again 77% of our K line. However, if we take a look at the candlestick, it is escalating or basically going up in price. So we're seeing a bearish weak divergence here. And again, weak divergence. We are only going to see price come back down either at an area of support that we have seen in consolidation or another area of support here, roughly at this dollar amount at 0.0607. Take a look at how many candlesticks in the middle of the chart here have actually bounced really nicely around this chunk here. We can see it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, roughly around 12 candlesticks itself. So again, this is going to be a high confluence area where a lot of people may actually see, is the price going to bounce back nicely from here? Not only that, but we can see from our previous candlestick from here, trying to retrace closer to our 50% moving average, got rejected down, considered to be overbought. If you guys can see again, weakness, we didn't even go over 80%. So price is going to continue to come back down. Essentially, we are further apart from moving averages here for us to have a primary trend of an uptrend. So we're basically seeing that in a lot of charts here itself, multiple months, in fact, that we've actually been in the bear market as our primary trend. If we can take a look at our MACD, we had a pinch of our signal line and our MACD line having enough, just a little bit of an edge here to try to come back up and retrace closer to the 50 MA. However, of course, we did drop down, as we can see, overbought, as we saw a signal line here on our RSI, and then we can see an expansion of our MACD line. Let's quickly take a look into our 4-hour time frame. We are going to be retracing downwards. We may actually be hitting again areas of higher confluence at an area of support. If price continues to come back down, as we can see, huge selling pressure as we crossed over on our MACD indicator, rejection from the 50 MA. Moving averages, again, treat it as resistance and treat it as support. Make sure that we can be able to backtest before, we enter into the market for a short trade or a long trade, whatever you guys prefer. But normally we want to always backtest. For example, right here, we can see on August 25th, we were coming closer to the end. We retested this line multiple times. As you can see, as we retest resistance, we're about to break through it. And that's essentially what we saw. We broke through it, closed above it. However, the backtest itself failed, and we fell out of this trend itself, or this attempted trend. So basically a failed breakout. So as we come back up, we always want to retest resistance line as an area of backtest to make sure if we're going to do either a short trade or a long trade on that. If we take a look again at the price itself, huge selling features, we can see the candlesticks body itself is known to be at the very bottom. So the session of this 4-hour time frame, huge selling features as the bears took over. We can see again the volume itself, the spaces in between our MACD line is gradually growing apart. If we take a look at a 3-hour time frame here, here is a basically graveyard doji that we can see exhaustion of the bulls trying to push the price as high as it can. This is a bearish candlestick that we can see, engulfing candlestick that we can see previously. Not a whole lot that I can see here. Yes, our RSI is considered to be oversold, and a potential buy opportunity can be have in this 3-hour time frame, but momentum is key for me personally. It keeps growing stronger, even though when we're taking a look at different multiple time frames. So overall for Hedera, in my opinion, we are going to drop a little bit more, even closer to the 0.0634 line. We did find another opportunity here for a good area of support. If we take a look again, multiple areas kind of retrace just slightly below this area. So at 0.06 3.1 is my anticipated target for price to continue to drop. As we can see in the RSI, there's still room for the price to drop. And of course, we are continuously in this bear market itself. So that is my video target here for Hedera, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.